Hello, it's Viking One, and I'm in Springville, Utah at the Strap Tank Brewery. And I'm going to show you a very old Harley-Davidson motorcycle. And this is the Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Very old. Sorry about that. So that looks like a very old Harley-Davidson. I got to find out just exactly how old, what year that old Harley-Davidson was made. So I just talked to one of the guys who works here, and he's saying that this bike was put together from parts, all kinds of different parts of Harley-Davidson motorcycles, and it's around 1903. So, although it's been pieced together, it's supposed to be around a 1903 Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Viking One, over and out. Have a good day.